7 Kenworth T800 Logging Truck for sale in West Farmington, Ohio 44491. If you are searching for a powerful truck that is extremely performance-oriented, then look no further, because this 2007 Kenworth T800 Logging Truck is the one for you. This dependable logging truck is powered by a strong, recently rebuilt Acert Twin Turbo diesel engine that is mated with a rebuilt Eaton 18-speed transmission that offers an impressive 525 horsepower. This 2007 Kenworth T800 logging truck comes with great options and features that are perfect for any hard-working individual. Highlights of additional features include 410,000 miles engine overhaul cab painted in 2018 along with frame, 2 new axles, aluminum bunks, 2018 loader with approximately 400 hours, new PTONew clutch installed, 550 horsepower, turned all the way up, only been a logging truck since 350,000 miles, only been on the road once or twice since January, and so much more. This 2007 Kenworth T800 logging truck is field ready and priced to sell. It has been very well maintained, which has enabled its road-ready condition. If you are eager to meet the demands of any rigorous lifestyle, then call today for more information on how you can put this industrious 2007 Kenworth T800 logging truck to work for you.